Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Cart Upsells widget, a powerful feature that enables you to upsell or cross-sell products directly from the cart page. This widget lets you showcase additional or complementary products to your customers, enhancing their shopping experience, increasing sales, and building stronger customer relationships. Best of all, it works with all products, making it a versatile tool for boosting your store's revenue. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Cart Upsells widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Then select Cart Upsells. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Cart Upsells. Here, you can customize all the settings. You can add tabs, click to add block and select General. Inside each block, you can customize block name, used for internal identification of this block. It's recommended to keep the default name to avoid display or configuration issues. Example, General. Product offer. Select the products you want to promote as general upsells. You can add tabs, click to add block and select specific. Inside each block you can customize block name, used for internal identification of this block. It's recommended to keep the default name to avoid display or configuration issues. Example, specific. Product trigger. Select the specific product that will trigger the upsell. For a specific product block, you must select a product trigger. Otherwise, the upsell will show as general. Product offer. Choose the products you want to display as the upsell. Adding type. Choose how you want the upsell product to appear in the cart under Adding type. You have two options. Add as a new product. This option adds the upsell product to the cart as an additional item, keeping the original product in the cart. Replace current product. This option replaces the current product in the cart with the upsell product you've selected. That's it. Main configuration is done. Now we will move to Design part. For Design part, go to Widget Group, select the Cart drawer. Then go to Cart Preferences and choose Cart Upsell. Block name, used for internal identification of this block. It's recommended to keep the default name to avoid display or configuration issues. Example, Cart Upsell. Heading. Customize the heading shown in your Cart Upsell block. Example, Debutify. Heading alignment. Choose how you want your heading to appear in the Cart Upsell block. You have three alignment options. Left. Aligns the heading to the left side of the block. Center. Centers the heading within the block. Right. Aligns the heading to the right side of the block. Product Center Align. Adjust how your products are displayed in the upsell block. Enable Product Center Align to center the products within the block. Disable this option to align the products to the left. Upsell Direction. Decide how you want your upsell products to be displayed in the cart. Horizontal. Shows a single product in a horizontal layout. Vertical. Displays multiple products stacked vertically. Show Rating. Enable Show Rating to display product ratings or disable it to hide them. Hide Product, when product is in cart. Enable Hide Product when product is in cart to automatically hide items already added to the cart. Enable Autoplay. Enable Autoplay to automatically scroll through the upsell products in the slider. Disable this option to keep the slider static. Autoplay Speed. Set the speed of the product slider. Loop. Enable Loop to make the slider cycle continuously when it reaches the last slide. It automatically returns to the first. Show arrows. Enable Show Arrows to display navigation arrows on the slider. Disable this option to hide them. Arrow color. Select Inherit to use your theme's default color scheme, or Custom to choose your own. Custom arrow color. Set your preferred arrow color. Custom arrow background color. Select a background color for the arrows. And that's it! Your Cart Upsells widget is now fully set up. By customizing it, you'll encourage higher cart values, reward loyal customers, and keep your store engaging and dynamic. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.